Hello everyone, this is Ivan here. Today we are at El Rincon Mexican restaurant. This restaurant is located in Canton, Ohio. This restaurant is very interesting. They have a plate that I like, that I love. It's a shrimp cocktail. You can come here at any time and get it. Ask for it. Believe me, it's delicious. Let me show you how the restaurant looks inside. Let's see their daily specials and discounts as always. This is the restaurant here. We have Poncho, he's the manager over there, and a pink shirt. Here is the bar. You can sit here, get a margarita, Mexican beer, whatever you want. Remember guys, you can always get coupons and discounts at DELOCUS.com, DELOCUS.com. You can go there, find your favorite restaurant. You can get coupons and discounts. This restaurant has multiple coupons, so take advantage of their coupons and their discounts. They have specials every single day, something different for everyone, for every day. So remember, DELOCUS.com. So now let's go to the kitchen. I want to show you guys the dish they have. It is pretty good, believe me. Let's go over here. We are going through the back. There we go. Here we have Carlos here. Carlos, my friend, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing great. I'm here. I wanna show you guys something that I like to eat here, and this is called a shrimp cocktail, right?
That's right.
So, Carlos, let me be here.
Sorry, excuse me.
Show me what's a shrimp cocktail.
Okay, well, first of all, you put some pico de gallo. It's a mixture of tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. So you put it in first. Then you put some avocado. Put a little bit more. And you put in some shrimp. You can put some on the side for some decoration. But oranges is also part of the decoration. Put some lime. This on the side. And at the very end, we put in tomato juice. It's kind of sweetish. You put it at the last so you will spill it out. And it also comes with some crackers. You can join them with your shrimp cocktail.
Wow, that's nice. Carlos, that's perfect. Poncho,
What?
tell me, how much does it cost?
That's $14.99.
$14.99, guys. This is the best price in town. You cannot get it anywhere else. Here at El Rincon Mexican restaurant. Where?
And Tuscarawas.
Tuscarawas. Hey guys, thank you very much.
Ohio.
In Canton, Ohio. I appreciate it, guys. I'm gonna take my cocktail outside because this is what I'm gonna eat now.